Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Lisa with Harmony House Art. Today's video is a little different. I've had a big hang up about white. White always ruins my beautiful colors, and I had to understand it. So I did a little research into how our eyes perceive color and how this exact same color on two different backgrounds looks totally different. So see how dark the yellow, that's just a cad yellow medium. It looks so dark on the white and so bright and brilliant on the black. That's crazy, right? So the three colors I'm using in this experiment are just primary magenta, primary blue, and the cad yellow. So that's the primary magenta from Golden. And it looks like a dark red on the white. Isn't that crazy? And you can see I used it, in fact, I am purposefully using it right out of the container so you can see I'm not manipulating the color in any way. It's just how our eyes perceive it. So in my mind, now I understand why everything looks cooler on black. Instantly obvious right there. Here's the blue. It's way dark on the white and bright on the black. It's just crazy stuff. So I decided to go ahead and do a pour with these same colors. The black, the one on the black is going to be black top and bottom, and then the colors in between. The one on the white canvas, white on bottom, colors in between, and then white on top. So I'm going to try to tilt these without spilling onto the other canvas. And try to tilt them as close to the same as possible. And it doesn't help that I didn't leave much negative space. That's when you can really see how the white canvas or white background affects the colors. Same thing on the black. I filled it up like we do, and kind of had to add some more black and white back to the respective canvas just so you can get an idea of how the colors appear to change. So I'll go ahead and add a little bit of the base color back in and mess around with it, because that's what I do. Even on these test canvases, I can't leave them ugly. I have to keep playing with them till I like them. So anyway, I thought it helped to see all this side by side. It helped me. And I don't know, I'm probably the only one on the planet with a hang up on white. That makes no sense at all, except it does now, because I knew it was ruining my beautiful bright colors, and I didn't know why. And now I do. So maybe it'll help somebody else. I hope it does. If you have any questions about any of this, you can comment or email me or reach out, however, Facebook even. I look at that once in a while. Okay, I look at it about once a week, so probably not the best way, but I'm just kind of dipping some colors on the balloons back into the painting. Try to get it so I like it at least. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care, everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.